Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness, my journey, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is just today, and on today's video I will be cleaning my phone cases. These are my phone cases, and I saw something trending that you can actually turn this color into clear, and I want to try that out. I am not sure how the results are going to be, but let us do this. This one is really like a pink, glittery pink, so this one I don't have hopes for, but for these two I'm sure they're going to be crystal clear. Like this is going to be this clear, and this one is to be more clearer. As you can see, I put a white backdrop thing so that you can actually see, because if I put it here you cannot see well. So yeah, without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So you're going to be needing 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is this. You are going to be needing vinegar. You're going to need some detergent. I put mine on a bottle top for the detergent. And then you are going to be needing a bowl. This is the bowl that I'm going to use. You can really use any bowl, plastic, glass, that's up to you depending on what you have. Some water. So I'm just going to pour the water into the bowl. Take your detergent, pour it into the water like that. Okay. Next, you are going to pour the vinegar into the water mixture. I really can't measure how much I need, but I'll just pour. Yeah, you can see the eruption going on, the bubbles forming, and you need something to stir up. You will need either serviettes or kitchen towels, whichever you prefer. So take the serviette, open it up, and then you're going to take each case, wrap it up inside the serviette like this, and then dip it into the water just like that. Okay, so once I do this, you're going to leave it for 30 minutes and then we're going to check it out. So let me do the rest and then we can see the final results. So guys, it's been 30 minutes and this is what the water looks like, and we are going to open it up and see if it really worked. So guys, I finally rinsed them off and this is what they look like. I really cannot see any difference at all. Like it's still the same. It still has some water dripping, excuse that, and yeah, it's still the same. Nothing much has changed, really, nothing at all. So they lied. Well, I don't feel bad about anything. I'm just concerned why it will change for other people and mine wouldn't change. Yeah, at least I washed my cases and they are a little bit cleaner. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, or if you're going to try any of these method on how to clean your phone case, please let me know down in the comment section how it goes with you. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.